Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Sharma and today we are going to explore DTS protocol in Internet of Things. In this we will see DTS protocol architecture, DTS protocol stack, DTS architecture working operations, data centricity, global data space, quality of service, scalable architecture, and in the last we will see security in DDS protocol. So we start with DDS protocol architecture. The data distribution services in a middleware protocol and API standard for data-centric connectivity from the object management group. It integrates the component of the system together, providing low latency data connectivity, extreme reliability, and a scalable architecture that business and mission critical Internet of Things application need. In distributed system, middleware is a software layer that lies between the operating system and the application. It enables the various components of the system to more easily communicate and share data. It simplifies the development of distributed system by letting software developers focus on the specific purpose of their application rather than the mechanism of passing information between the application and the system. It is an IoT protocol developed for machine-to-machine communication by Object Management Group. It enables data exchange via publish methodology. DDS makes of breakless architecture until MQTT and COAP protocol. It uses multicasting to bring high quality of service to the application. DDS protocol can be developed from low footprint device to cloud. DDS protocol stack. In this figure, DDS protocol has DDS v1.2 and DDS v2.1. DDS v1.2 API standard is a language independent, OS and hardware architecture independent. There are two layers, DCPS and DLRL. DCPS data centric publish subscribe layer delivers information to subscriber. DCPS is a standard API for data centric topic based real time publish subscribe layer. DLRL Data Local Reconstruction Layer. It provides interface to DCPS functionalities. The This enables sharing of distributed data among devices which are IoT enabled. DLRL is a standard API for creating object view out of collection of topics. DDS architecture working operation. This figure shows how working operations are done. DDS is fully distributed GDS (Global Data Space). GDS specifications make it fully distributed in order to avoid introduction of single point of failure or bottleneck. In DDS protocol architecture, application can autonomously and asynchronously read-write data in GDS. The publisher and the subscriber can join or leave the GDS at any point. This is because they are dynamically discovered. Publisher and subscriber express their intention to produce or consume a specific type of data such as topics. The subscription are matched taking into account topics with details such as name, data type, quality of services. Subscription are dynamically matched. Moreover, data flows from publisher to the subscriber. Data centricity. This figure shows how data is stored in central domain. There are many communication middleware standards and products. DDS is uniquely data-centric, which is ideal for the industrial Internet of Things. Most middleware works by sending information between application and system. Data centricity ensures that all managers include the conceptual information an application needs to understand the data it receives. The essence of data centricity is that DDS know what data is stored and control how to share the data. Programmers using traditional message-centric middleware must write code that send message. Programmers using data-centric middleware write code that specify how and when to share data and then directly share the data values. Rather than you managing all this complexity in the application, DDS directly implements control managed secure data sharing for you. Global data space. This shows how global data is stored in DDS domain. DDS conceptually sees a local store of data called the global data space to the application. The global data space looks like local memory accessed via an API. DDS send message to update the appropriate store on remote node. The local store gives application the illusion of having the access to the entire global data space. This is only an illusion. There is no global place where all the data lives. Each application locally stores only what it needs and only for as long as it needs. The global data space shares their data between embedded mobile and cloud applications across any transport, regardless of language and system, and with extremely low latency. Quality of services. The data can also be shared with flexible quality of services specification including reliability, system health, and even security. In real system, not every other endpoint needs every item in your local store. TDS is smart about sending just what it needs. If a message don't always reach their intended destination, the middleware implements reliability where needed. When system changes, the middleware dynamically figure out where to send which data and intelligently inform participants of the changes. The total data size is huge. DDS intelligently filters and sends only the data each endpoint really needs. When update needs to be fast, DDS send multicast message to update many remote applications at once. DDS keeps track of the version used by various parts of the system and automatically translates. For security critical application, DDS control access, enforce data flow path, and encrypts data on the fly. The true power DDS emerges when you specify all of these things simultaneously at extremely high speed and in a very dynamic, demanding, and unpredictable environment. Scalable architecture. This is scalable architecture of DDS protocol which has admin domain, central domain, control domain, and machine domain. The OMG DDS architecture is designed to be scalable from a small device to the cloud and for very large systems. DDS enables the Internet of Things by scaling across thousands or millions of participants delivering data at ultra high speed, managing many thousands of data objects, and providing extreme availability and security. DDS simplifies distributed system development by absorbing much of the complexities in a single standard communication layer. Security. Protecting mission critical industrial IoT environments requires security that scales from edge to cloud across system and suppliers. DDS includes security mechanism that provides authentication, access control, confidentiality, and integrity to the information distribution. DDS security uses a decentralized peer-to-peer architecture that provides security without sacrificing real-time performance. So this is all about the DDS protocol in IoT. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.